Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CNAT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume. And today may not be the right word, more so late afternoon, because for the majority of the day, not a whole lot was going on. And then all of a sudden the volume came pouring in and the price reacted very nicely with it. But regardless, nice movement. And now that brings about some logical questions. Mainly, hey, is this the start of something bigger, or is this just one of these kind of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type moves? I don't know, but the one level that, in my opinion, is going to help answering that is right there at the 78-cent mark. Why is 78 important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but let's just say that the price were to come down to 78 and then break down below it and continue on down. At that point in time, what would that be telling you? From a literal perspective, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range of the chart that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not exactly a sign of true power. Whereas let's say the price goes down here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this set of circumstances? Well, you'd have lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying quote-unquote progress as that level right there at 78 cents. What about levels of resistance going into next week? Remember, the markets are closed tomorrow on Friday for Good Friday. Nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact that the party finally stopped today up there at 92 cents. So 92 will be public enemy number 1 next week. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Nice movement today, nice volume. Now it's just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.